Welcome to video number 9 of our series. Now that you have seen how agents work through chat, it is time to look at automated execution with the Pulse app. Pulse allows agents to run on a schedule or in response to external events without anyone having to manually start a chat. In Pulse, you create triggers. There are two types. A cron trigger runs an agent on a repeating schedule, such as every Monday at 9 a.m. or every day at midnight. A webhook trigger runs an agent whenever an external system sends an HTTP post to a specific URL. Both types are configured by creating a trigger instance, selecting which agent should run, and defining either the cron expression or the webhook settings. Once the trigger is active, Pulse will automatically dispatch the chosen agent at the right time or when the webhook is called. The run transcript looks exactly like a normal agent chat, so you can see the reasoning, the tool calls, and the final results. Any files the agent creates appear as artifacts and can be promoted to deliverables in the vault. Pulse is especially useful for repetitive work. You can have an agent automatically generate weekly status reports, check for overdue tasks every morning, fetch new data from external systems, or process incoming documents. Because the agent is the same one you use in chat, it has full access to your graph, can fill templates, write records, and do everything else you have already learned. This means once you build good agents in chat, you can easily turn those same capabilities into fully automated background processes using Pulse. Together, chat and Pulse give you both on-demand intelligence and scheduled automation running on the same powerful agent system. In the next video, we will focus specifically on how agents fill acroform templates, one of the most practical and time-saving features in the entire platform.